This is our 7th annual Malcolm Jenkins Foundation Youth Football Clinic. And we'll have peers of mine from around the league, guys I played in college ball with, local coaches and volunteers. Just put on a football clinic for the kids. They get combine testing, they get coached by the pros, they learn about sports safety, they learn about the importance of hydration, sleep, nutrition, how to identify concussions. We added a cheer portion to the camp this year, coaching up the cheerleaders on tumbling. So it was just an all-around good day in the community.
Compete on 3. 1, 2, 3, compete!
You don't usually see NFL players do this, bring out other NFL players and give back to where they came from. And it's kind of unreal knowing that he went to my high school and now that he's here and he's giving back to all of us.
The takeaway is to believe in themselves, believe that others are out there that care for them, that safety is important in terms of playing safe and understanding what that means and how just taking care of yourself, making healthy decisions on and off the field is very important to success in life.
We're learning a lot about head injuries and the proper stretching needed before we go out and do a lot of physical activity.
I'm learning how to take care of my body because that's the most important thing at the end of the day, life after football.
What's really great about this partnership is that the Malcolm Jenkins Foundation reached out to us, Safe Kids New Jersey. They were looking for our input to improve safety in their sports and their messaging.
So many small, intricate pieces that you have to understand about playing sports well, doing things the right ways. And to me, being behind Malcolm Jenkins, a guy with incredible track record, he's going to put you in the right position.
Well, this is my opportunity to, one, bring those same people who've helped me around these kids, but also give them experiences that might open their minds up to something they hadn't seen before.
Thanks, Malcolm, for everything you're doing, everything you've done so far.
Malcolm, you're inspiration to me, and I really appreciate this.
Thanks, Malcolm. You mean everything to us, and just keep doing what you're doing.